The purpose of this video is to show how you can use your conductor and pole libraries within Axonic to set up the libraries that get used through your network. So with Axonic, you've got your mobile apps that are on your Android and iOS devices, and then you've got your PC app. Inside the PC app, you can set which conductors and poles you want distributed to all your other devices for use on your network. So the way that we can select which of those are going to be used is we go into this library file here, into this drop down, and you can see in here that we've got conductor. So if we select on that, and it pulls up all the possible conductors. So in Axonic there are about 1,000 different conductors that are preset. You can click up here to add new conductors if you want new conductors. But otherwise, what you want to do is you want to be able to go through here, and you can see in this row here we've got favorited, this favorite column. So we can use filters here, and for each conductor we've got these files, and you can see as we look across, you've got for each record you've got like what standard it aligns with the conductor, a description of it, the conductor name, the type of construction. So if we look on here, we can see that you've got ACSR, AAASC, and so forth. And we can use these to filter, so you can filter for certain types of conductor. And then as we go across here, we've got diameters and all the different parameters that you'd expect with a conductor. So what you do is, if we look here, we've got, if we filter for this, we'll see that some conductors have in fact already been selected as favorites. So a number of the copper conductors here, we've got squirrel, wolf, mink, dog, and so forth, some of the AAACs. So if you want these conductors, or any conductors that you want to appear in the drop downs when you're selecting a conductor, you just tick here or untick the ones that you don't want. We can demonstrate that here if we go to, say, the conductor, the multi-measurements. So just from here we'll find one that's, this one's got 3 poles, so if we go to that, and we don't have a conductor here yet, but we can soon get one. So we can just put a span in here, and then we can put in a conductor into this span, and put a point here, there, oops. And so from here we can see that all those conductors that were favorited in the library are available. Now in the same way, if we look in this file here, if we go, or in fact it's in here, if we scroll down, well, actually it would be in here, we've got a support type that we can select from. Now to manage this, and these are the pole types. So to manage this, we can go into these libraries again here, and we'll have circular support type, and down below we've got rectangular support type. So if we look at, say, the rectangular support type, we can open this up and we can see here much shorter lists. Again, we can add more on. If you've got another pole type, you can add that in. But you can see that certain of these are favorited, and these are the ones that would appear in those drop-down lists. If you want to add more, you just tick the favorites, or you can remove the ones that you don't want to see. So that is how you select your conductors and pole types in Axonic.